Guys, we're looking Total Parts Pro today with the 2017 Mazda 3, stock number 6838. This ran from the Litre 2013 to the second 2019. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right rear and right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 18-inch factory maggot tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lip, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, front courtesy light, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,